Happy Friday, people of the grid. I'm on my way home. The day is done, and just on my way home I met Tammy at the appliance store. See, like I mentioned in the last video, while I was away last week, our washing machine stopped working. It actually stopped working in a really bad way. It was on the spin, on the rinse cycle, so it was spinning and spinning, and it was making a lot of noise and spinning really fast, and then it started to make sparks. So Tammy shut it down, checked it out. The drum was all hot, called in a repair person. They had a look, and he said, you know what, it's 19 years old. It would cost way more to fix, and I can't guarantee it'll work even after I fix it. So he suggested might be time to think about a new one. So we thought about it, and since we have a big need to wash clothes all the time, we got a new one. Tammy found a new one. We just picked it up, so that was what I did on my way home here. We stopped at the store. Tammy met me with the truck. We paid for it. We loaded it up into the truck. So part of maybe tonight's adventure or this weekend's adventure is going to be setting up a washer and a dryer in our house. And I'm the washer setup guy. It's going to be an interesting night. Okay. I think that's good. I think you got it.
Is it nice and tight, Melissa?
Yep. She's really good. Strong.
Awesome. What are you guys building?
What are we building?
We're building a thing for the tires to sit in.
Oh.
So that we can hang up our tires in the garage and have more room in the garage.
Nice. Well done.
Yeah. You did that one good, sweetie. Okay, one more on this. Yeah, take the wrench.
It's a school stuff. I can do it in school.
No, up. Okay. Yeah, good. Good girl. Good. This girl's got skills.
To pay the bills. Excellent.
You can fix all our stuff now.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's tight. Okay, let's push this down towards mine.
What you doing now?
I gotta hook up the dryer first because the exhaust vent has to go outside, and you can only do it from back here. So you left enough of a gap to get your arm in. That's about it.
You're just a fixing guy today.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Dish the washing machine in when Ethan comes home because that is super heavy.
Yeah. I wanted ASCO because our last one was ASCO and it lasted us for 19 years. So we're hoping these ones last for 19 years too. And apparently it was see, our washing machine broke. Apparently it was a buy one, get one free. Now we have a new dryer. I can't wait to use it because the clothes are building up. Broke down last week. All done?
Yeah, all done.
No, I have to get back to work.
Just a few extra parts, but what's a good repair job without a few extra parts?
Now it's my job to get back to work.
Somebody's job. It doesn't have to be yours.
Yeah. I don't think my kids know how to use one. So, have to fix that. But yeah, let's give it a try. I'm excited.
They're nice, eh?
Yay, new washer dryer. Yeah. Our other one lasted 19 years.
Oh, where's that white plastic piece that goes on the bottom?
It's in the truck.
Is it?
Yep.